Germany40 and UK100 delivered another massive move, hitting the new fresh records, or rather all-time high record levels here, while the S&P, Nasdaq and Dow, all of the three traded with a dip with the inflation data and then have posted a very strong recovery. What to expect now from these five major indices, that is the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with Germany40 and UK100. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators and try to find out the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with logic. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed Nasdaq, then Dow, in the end Germany and UK. Watch this. See, S&P on the hourly chart is very important for it to now trade beyond 607 to 74 and then 6080. If these two levels are taken, then you can say this is a reversal which can in fact take the prices now towards 6092 and 6100. Till 6100 it has got very strong resistance here. 6100, 6102 should be the levels beyond which you can say now S&P is turning bullish, and you can wait for 6120 levels as well, and beyond 6120 anyways sky is the limit. See what is happening, it is now hit the lows here towards 6000 and it is trying to recover. A double bottoming is done. Let's wait and watch which direction it takes. The PPI data today might bring further volatility. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to trade bullish, RSI rising. On the 2-hour charts, if similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts here. Yes, a little resistance is offered here at around 6070 levels, and then you have to wait for it to break past by 608085. That is the level beyond which it should be treated for a reversal. See, a double bottom is done. It may try to hit the double top here at 6100. Let's wait and watch the direction it wants to take. Stochastic here is overbought, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI almost flat here, and on the 3-hour chart similar object. And see, look at the consolidation it is showing. So yes, wait for a breakout either which ways. Any move beyond 607 to 74 you can buy, expect 608085, and then beyond that 6100 to be seen. While on the downside now, see, yesterday also, today again the same. 6060 you can sell, 605450 first target zone, 6040 second, and if it trades below 6040 today, we are looking forward to greater price correction. Yes, the stochastic is rising. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for buy. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is also running flat. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation. Only point here is the diminishing bullishness, and thus once it breaks out, it is going to deliver similar size of candle, but right now it is trying to show signs of reversal here. Let's wait if it shows a reversal from here. Yes, the stochastic definitely overbought, while the MACD is trying to cross over for the buys and the RSI almost flat. So indicators are trading mix. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, look at the preceding two candles comes with lower highs, and yes, the preceding candle also had a bigger tail, and thus it is very important to note, if S&P trades beyond 608085 zone today, you can expect a stronger rise. Though what I am looking right now here is drop retracement, drop retraced, and it has delivered first red candle. So today possibly it could deliver a swing candle or a bearish candle. The indicators are starting to rise while the MACD and RSI running flat here. So looking at this, what I will recommend you to buy at 60707 to expect 608084, and then once this zone is taken, then 6100, 6120 to be there very soon. On the downside, a selling entry now is at 6060 levels itself, or 6058 levels you can take a sell. Expect 605052 at the first target zone, 604042 at the second, and if at any point of time the Tech 100 trade S&P trades below 6040, you can expect a greater correction towards 6020 and 6000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Likewise with Tech 100 on the hourly chart. See, after showing this massive dip, taking the support from 21400, it is trying to recover, and it has come out of this consolidation zone, trying to trade bullish here. But I'll say, I mentioned this yesterday as today as well, that 2100, 21800 and 21850, 860. Yes, if these two levels are taken, I think there is no looking back in Tech 100, and then you can look forward to 21920, 21970, and in fact 22050 levels. So right now it has come to a point where it has to decide the direction it wants to take. Certainly 21900, 21800, 860 is the zone which is going to remain a caution zone for us. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in green, RSI flat. On the 2, similar observation here on the 2-hour chart. See, a double bottoming and done, and it is trying to trade with bullishness. Let's wait for it to either drop below 21780 levels, below which you can expect 21750, 740, and then towards 21700. See, after this greater dip, it has recovered very strongly here. and it is definitely showing no signs of exhaustion as of now. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is crossed over trying to rise RSI flat. On the 3, the observation is more or less same here, and a bit of consolidation. After the consolidation, it is trying to rise. Just let's wait for it to trade beyond 21,850, and then we can expect a stronger price rise here. Notice the rise here, the retracement, and now again back to the journey, which suggests it could hit the highs here. Let's watch out if it move towards the higher highs. Here's the indicators, including the stochastic, that it's slightly overbought, while the MACD is running bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is looking upwards as well. On the 4-hour charts, also the observation is more or less same. Only worry point, precedingly it has given lower highs, and now it is giving a breakout, which is a very good sign for the bulls. Here's the stochastic is overbought, while MACD RSI not showing much signs. Coming to the day. On the daily chart, similar observations. The preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and it is closed at the top, and it is now continuing with the momentum here. I'll just wait for it to trade beyond 21,858.60, and then we can just stay bullish from there all the way towards 21,929.70, and in fact 22,000 levels. See, after this retracement, now US30 is crossing over here. So once it breaks out here about 22,000, 22,050, we are looking forward to a greater rally here. Yes, the stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trading with bullishness, and thus what I'll recommend, buying entries I have already mentioned. Selling entries is now at 21,780 levels. If you see now, Tech 100 trading below 21,780, take a sell for 21,750, 21,710, 21,660, and 21,600. Any drop below 21,600 is a clear sign of further correction. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Germany40 now. See, US30, you can look at how it is performing here. See, hitting almost the double bottom levels here. It has recovered sharp. In fact, it has hit preceding lows. And if you look at it, is yet delivering lower highs. So I'll definitely watch out if it breaks out beyond 44,600, 44,700 zone. That is the only zone above which you can say US30 is turning bullish. So what has happened after the drop? It has retraced. It is right now and from this consolidation zone it can take any which ways. Right now I can look forward to a little rise where the prices can in fact move towards 44,500, 520, and beyond that you can expect more bullishness to prevail. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI is rising. Coming to 2, similar observation can be seen on the 2-hour charts. The moving average is trading with divergence, is staying bearish here. If you look at it, it's getting a bit of resistance from the 20 period moving average, and there is a possibility for it to move towards 44,500, 520, which should be the next resistance here. See, the right now, despite lower highs, I can see the on the downside the supports are playing out very well. Here the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD and RSI is still having a lot much of room on the upside. And this is the same story on the 3-hour chart. See, it is trading below the 20 period. Very critical for it to trade beyond the 20 period average, which means 44,460 it has to trade above. And then you can expect 44,500, 520, and beyond this you can expect more momentum on the upside here. Yes, the indicators are on the rise here and right now supporting a further upward move. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, drop and it is starting to retrace. I'll wait for the next candle. Any move beyond 44,500, 520 should take it towards 44,600, and then once it trades beyond 44,600, remember the resistance zone here, which means it has to now break beyond 44,640, 650 in order to confirm the next move towards 44,800 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to the observation is more or less same. See, it is taking support from the 20 period moving average. Now none of the candles or rather I'll say last 3 to 4 candles, it is never closed below 20 period moving average, which is a good sign for the bulls. But only bullishness is if it trades beyond 44,600, 650, then beyond this 44,800 and 45,000 levels to be seen. Else what will happen, should be the first red candle, and we can see a series of bearish candles from here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over at the top. This is a slight worry point for me because it's crossing over at the top. It is right now looking downwards, and it is potentially can move towards the bottom of this channel, bottom of this. So thus right now I will say on the upside we have to exercise a bit of caution as long as 44,600, 700 zone is not taken here. And thus considering this, first I will recommend you to buy at 44,460, expected to move towards 44,500, 520 first, 44,600 second, and then once it stays above 44,600 is where real bullishness to be seen all the way towards 44,720, 44,800 levels. On the downside now, a selling entry I will recommend is at 44,380 levels. Expect 44,340, 300 240 200, and below 44 200 we can look forward to a greater price correction towards 44,000 and 43,800 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Germany. See, DAX appears completely unstoppable, hitting every time it is hit with a retracement, it is followed with a stronger rise, and that is what is the trend here. And now it appears it is trying to form a curve, but then you have to wait for it to trade below 23 20 22 80 levels, which will confirm further down. And see, the divergence of the price from the moving average is too much. We have to wait for it to break below 22 250 in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading bullish, trying to converge. RSI extremely overbought. So things are definitely overbought here for Germany 40. And if you look at the 2 hour chart, this could be the reversal sign. We will wait for it to drop below 22 300 280 zone, below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail all the way towards 22 200. Definitely it is staying overbought here. Yes, it has shown no signs of reversal and consistently traded bullish. Look at the 3 hour charts, higher lows and higher highs are seen. Possibly once it trades below 22 300 280, you can look forward to greater correction here. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. MACD rising, RSI extremely overbought. So things are definitely overbought here for Germany 40. And the observation is similar. See, every time it has hit the highs, it follows with a retracement, and this is a stronger rise. So a stronger retracement can be expected here. Coming to, yes, it is outside Bollinger Bands. Definitely, it is going to remain critical for Germany 40 to continue with the rise. Though you can see it is trading bullish here, increasing body size is a very good sign for the bulls. However, right now I'll recommend you to wait a little before we take a position. Only and only if you now see Germany 40 trading above 22 380 levels, you can expect 22 410 450 and 22 500. Beyond that, anyway, sky is the limit on the upside, all the way towards 22 578 and 22 650. On the downside, a selling entry now at 22 320, expected to move towards 22 280 22 240 200, and below 22 200 you can look forward to greater correction here. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK. So UK 100 has also now moved close to 8840 levels. It is retraced. It has come down to the support zone here, and now till 8810 and 8800 we have got very strong support for UK 100. Though if you notice, after rise it is consolidated, and this is the first bullish move. You can say possible retracement on the downside all the way towards 8780 cannot be denied. And see, this zone between 8780 and 8800 is going to remain the prime support zone here for the day. Stock Isaac definitely oversold, MACD crossing over for sell, and the RSI has dropped here. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. After showing a reversal sign, it can potentially move towards the support zone here, that is at around 800. Only and only if you see these two levels to be taken here by FTSE 100, you can say now the bears are taking over, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Stochastic looking down, MACD flashed, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation here, nothing different. And on the 4 hour charts also similar observation. Only worry point here is the diminishing, slightly getting diminished, and the move is also getting smaller, and thus we need to be trading with caution here on the upside. Specifically on the daily charts, when you look, see straight series of bullish candles today again, and preceding candle close at the top suggests that today again it can bounce back. So as long as now 8780 is not taken, you have to be careful. Below 8780 you can wait for 8760, and if it trades below 8760 any point of time, you can just stay short for the near future all the way towards 8720 8700 levels. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. On the buy side, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 8824. Expect 8358840 first target zone, 8860 second, and then beyond that, sky is the limit all the way towards 8900 very soon. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.